Well, hello. Thanksgiving is over. Do you have any leftover turkey? Well, let's put that to use. We're gonna make taco turkey stuffed sweet potatoes. I've taken some of that turkey and chopped it up. I'm gonna start cooking that in a little olive oil. I'm adding some taco seasoning to the top of that. And then you add a can of drained Rotel tomatoes. That was pretty easy. Now you just add it inside of one of your leftover sweet potatoes. If you don't have a leftover sweet potato, use leftover mashed potatoes and put it on top of that. Fill her up. Now add some pepper jack cheese on top of that stuffed baked sweet potato. We have ourselves a meal. That's easy and delicious. It is fun utilizing Thanksgiving leftovers. You can see even more videos using Thanksgiving leftovers by looking at this hashtag Thanksgiving leftovers. This video is part of a collaboration that's being hosted by my pal at Annie's Smoking Pot. What's a good song to sing while preparing the turkey? It's all about that bass,